Today I'm reviewing the Sacheu Occlusive Overnight Moisturizer. And really quick, I just want to say I purchased all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos, so if that's something you're into, like, subscribe, share the video, check my Patreon community, or click on the links below. Link and stop resisting! I guess that's all we get for Lincoln. Goodbye. Go back to bed. Lazy. It's very lazy. Okay, so anyway, I picked this one up from Ulta recently, and I've been meaning to check out more from this brand. They've got a lot of goodies. And actually, if you watch this video, I believe this one is on sale for a day or two. So, yeah, check it out at Ulta. Okay, so they say, inspired by slugging, Sacheu's Occlusive Overnight Moisturizer combines shea butter, hyaluronic acid, folic acid, niacinamide, squalane, and jojoba esters to lock in moisture and allow the skin to repair, revealing plump, smooth, hydrated skin after a good night's sleep. And it's interesting that they say a lot of that when they also recommend using it as a moisturizer. So, yeah, well, yeah, you know, on this it says, apply to face and neck as the last step of your skincare routine at night. But when I read the instructions online, it also says, or use as a moisturizer during the daytime. But it's super thick. I don't think I could use this during the daytime, but it sounds like some people do. So, okay, first criteria is packaging. We've got a plastic squeeze tube with the, these are always hard to grip in my opinion. The little, they're hard when your hands are slimy, you know, but anyway. Okay, in terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, it does not contain any of those. And it also has no fragrance and no scent. And if you read more about this brand, they mention that they're committed to being fragrance-free. So I'll take it when I can get it. That's always a nice thing. The manufacturing location for this one is the U.S., so no issues with that. In terms of ease of use, so they recommend applying a generous amount to face and neck. And I've got this shirt on, which... it's got like the thumb holes, which I love, but then it's hard to, it's very tight. Hang on. Okay, so apply a generous amount to face and neck. If they say if you used in the morning, follow with an SPF, obviously. A little bit of this one goes a very long way. I typically have been using this one in the evening, so seems to work well for that. A little bit of it goes a very long way. It does take a little bit of time to absorb. And until it does, it almost looks like you have a little bit of a white cast or almost like a ghost face a little bit. Until it does soak in, you can kind of see it. But anyway, especially if you're applying this over other products, it takes a while to soak in. And it really does soak in while you're sleeping for the most part. So don't be alarmed if you're walking around looking kind of pale, because it does take a long time to absorb, which I guess for a sleeping mask is what you want. You don't want something that soaks in immediately and doesn't do anything the rest of the night, I guess. So anyway, so very nice product. Sets to eventually a slightly radiant finish that is a little bit tacky feeling, but again, at night, I don't really care if it's tacky feeling. I put my hair in a ponytail. Otherwise, I'd probably wake up with it all sticking to my face and, ugh, you know what I mean? So anyway, so very easy to use. No issues at all with that. Okay, in terms of the ingredients, and I think once I start reading off the ingredients list, and I'm going to talk about dupes for this in a minute, I think you're going to start to have a feeling what dupes there are for this, because one of them is one of my favorite products, and it's very, very similar. Okay, so for exciting ingredients, we've got jojoba esters, which is a soothing emollient ingredient, squalane, skin identical ingredient, antioxidant, castor seed oil, and emollient. We've got vegetable oil, which is an emollient. I don't get terribly excited when I see vegetable oil in a product, because it's vegetable oil. Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, it's in a lot of stuff, so whatever. Okay, we've got rosehip oil emollient. Also offers antioxidant benefits from its vitamin C and vitamin E content, and fatty acid content can help strengthen the skin barrier. We've got vitamin E, antioxidant emollient, shea butter, antioxidant emollient, arginine, Botox in a bottle peptide with anti-aging benefits, helps with wrinkles caused by muscle movement, helps with wrinkle depth, wrinkle length, as well as skin hydration. We've got lecithin, emollient, acetylglutamine, which is a barrier repairing and hydrating ingredient. We've got epidermal growth factor peptide, which is a single molecule that stimulates cell growth and proliferation, as well as wound healing, and also helps with skin renewal. We've got insulin-like growth factor peptide, which is wound healing, stimulates cell proliferation. We've got SH polypeptide 1, peptide that stimulates fibroblast growth and proliferation, may also stimulate collagen production. SH polypeptide 9, peptide that manufacturers claim plays a role in supplying fibroblast cells nutrients. Again, it's manufacturers claiming it, so take it with a grain of salt. But it may also have elasticity and skin rejuvenation benefits. We've got polypeptide 11, peptide that stimulates fibroblast and keratinocyte proliferation and wound healing benefits. Bacillus, folic acid ferment, antioxidant. We've got sodium hyaluronate, humectant, niacinamide, anti-acne, skin brightening. Ethyl macadamate, fatty acid from macadamia nuts. So a nice list of anti-aging ingredients, hydrating ingredients, soothing ingredients, and then ones that might help with wrinkle depth and things like that. So anyway, yeah, so really nice ingredient list. If is it starting to come around, you guys, what product this reminds me of? Cameraman?
No idea.
No idea. I didn't think you'd know. The Claire's Midnight Blue Calming Cream.
That's what I was going to say.
So yeah, so there's a lot of similar ingredients in here, and it's got the peptides, the soothing ingredients, the brightening ingredients, the hydrating ingredients, and it does happen to be a dupe, and I'll list the rest of the dupes in a minute. So, okay, in terms of animal testing, this is vegan as well as cruelty-free, so no issues with that. In terms of performance, it's a very nice hydrating overnight mask. It's great for very dry skin, dehydrated skin, or those experiencing very dry weather, cold weather. For what this product promises to do, it promises to lock in moisture and allow the skin to repair, revealing plump, smooth, and hydrated skin. I think it delivers on all of those, as well as providing some anti-aging benefits. So this is a good example of one that under-promises and over-delivers, which I love. I'd much rather do that than disappoint people. Yeah, so it's very enjoyable to use, very nice for dry, sensitive skin at night. Also nice for dehydrated skin types. If you have acne-prone skin, I'd be a little cautious. So for acne-prone skin, we've got Octyl Palmitate, cetyl alcohol, Cetearyl alcohol, Squalane, castor seed oil, and then that vegetable oil. So not very friendly for oily-prone skin, or acne-prone skin. So keep that one in mind. In terms of the price, so this is a big one. It's 3 ounces, 85 milliliters, and it retails for $28. So it's a pretty good deal overall. Especially the fact that a little bit of this one goes a long way. It will last you a long time, which is really wonderful. Then in terms of the it factor, it's really nice. There's a lot to love about it. It's a bit of a bummer that those with acne-prone skin can't really, I mean, you could probably try it, but I'd just be very careful. The other thing is if you have milia-prone skin, I'd also be careful because that vegetable oil can be kind of iffy for that. It's very friendly for eczema-prone skin, which is nice. Okay, then some similar dupes or alternatives are the Abib Hydration Water Cream, the Hourglass Equilibrium Moisturizer, which I've never tried, the La Roche-Posay Tolerating Oil-Free Moisturizer, and the Claire's Midnight Blue Calming Cream. There we go. Okay, so with a 10 being a perfect score, I gave this one a 10. I couldn't find any faults with it, though I tried. Cameron's very excited. Are you going to use this tonight?
Yep.
He's very excited about it.
Give it to me.
There we go. Oh, he's taking it. Oh, okay. There we go. Anyway, interesting from you guys. If you had a chance to check that out or anything else from the brand. It's another smaller brand. I'm really excited to support some of these smaller brands this year. Instead of making L'Oreal another billion, I'd like to spread the billion out amongst some of these great brands that aren't as gigantic. So, anyway, leave a comment. Love hearing from you, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.
Go ahead.
Oh, look at that little face. This is the Sacheu Occlusive Overnight Moisturizer. Lincoln, no, you can't leave yet. Hang on, no.